Hi guys, it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber and I try to post new videos every week. So Zar Cosmetics was having an influencer giveaway and they picked 10 influencers who entered and sent them a PR package prize and I won! This is my first time in my life ever winning a giveaway and I really do love Zar Cosmetics. I have ordered from them before. This was what they sent me. Oh, let's open this up. I will put a link to their site down below if you want to check out their site. Yeah, let's open this nicely. Ooh, like that's just torn. That's all sorts of torn. Hello to your new favorites, sealed with love. This is why I own one of these, so that I can nicely just zoop. Yay! The stickers. Like, can I not just be aesthetic for once? Dear Sandy, congratulations. We hope you love all your products and create many awesome looks. Can't wait for you to try out our eye serum, paint palette, concealer palette, glow scrub, and our other product. Let us know your thoughts. Your friend Zar Cosmetics. I'm excited. You excited? Here's the eye serum that was mentioned in the little note, and this helps to minimize wrinkles, fine lines, eye puffiness, and dark circles. I definitely have the dark circles thing, but I also get eye puffiness after a really long day. You can use this in the morning or the afternoon. Wow. This looks nice. I've never used an eye serum, by the way. I've only ever used your normal eye creams. So this is very exciting. Oh, look at that. Just roll it on. To just like roll it out like this. But do you see how this ball is silver? I think it's like metal or steel or something, but it's very cooling at the end of a long day. Like, I'm just so tired. And this is just going to be so nice to put around your eye area, because I included one of their water activated liners. I have a bunch of different colors as well. I love that it's like two-tone, so it has the pastel and the neon, you know, because we're all trying to live our best euphoria lives. So just add a little bit of a graphic liner to your everyday wing just to spice it up. This is the Marshmallow Beauty Puff, a beauty blender. Ooh. And once you add your water, it will swell. It's really chiseled. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It has a vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic, and orange extract. I definitely need that hyaluronic acid for hydration, because you know I have dry skin, and that vitamin C to help even out my skin complexion, because I do have acne and pimple scarring. Wow, this is gorgeous, man. The packaging is stunning and like it matches my whole vibe today. You know, I love the whole pastel color pink situation. This is pretty. This is so pretty. It's a frosted glass bottle, and you apply 5 to 6 drops in the morning and in the evening, and then you can just add your moisturizer after applying this. Let's see what this consistency is. It's looking thick. Oh wow, thick products like this is great for dry skin. Yeah, it doesn't really have a scent, a very light citrus smell. Like, I almost couldn't smell the citrus smell. So if you do have sensitive skin and you don't like fragrances, then you could enjoy this. They also sent over the concealer palette. Ooh, this is nice. I can definitely use this for contouring. This is very cute. Do like a, ooh, wow. You know, I was a little worried that this was going to be dry, because usually when you get the concealer, the pressed concealers like this in the pans, they're usually like super dry. But look at that. It's so creamy. You see how it's just gliding? Like, I can't make this up. It's literally just gliding. I'm excited to try this as a contour. Oof, that is nice. And they sent their 12-piece color paint palette. At first I thought these were cream pigments, but I think they're water-based / water activated pigments, because you know I do a lot of cosplay makeup looks and these come in so handy. It looks like there's a little bit of product in here, right? But the thing is, with these types of pigments, they last so long. Yeah, you just wet your brush a bit and then you go in the palette. These usually give great coverage, you know, when you really want to like paint your whole face with these creative things. Oh yeah, this was a separate packet they sent, and I think this is the body exfoliator. Oh yeah, with these types of palettes, like, it's just always so nice to have if you're someone that's like into makeup, because it's so versatile. It's also great if you like want to color your eyebrows for some sort of makeup look. It just has that pigment and it holds on to like your skin and your hairs and stuff nicely like that. But also if you want to do like graphic liners or graphic, you know, designs, this is also very nice to use. Yay, I got a pink one! Body exfoliator, renews skin, and it's fast drying. I really appreciate that they designed something that's fast drying, because you don't want these type of things that you bath with or scrub your body with staying wet for long, because it causes like bacteria and mold and stuff to grow. Yay! Now I don't have to use the orange sack. If you know, you know. The OG exfoliator. The last two things I have is the mascara and the liquid eyeliner. This is what the packaging looks like. Bloop. The pen. Let's draw the wing. Very nice and black. I will say I think I need to let this liner stand downwards. It's like a little bit dry, but like, you know, like when your Cokie is a bit dry and you just like, you need to shake it a bit to let it stand, and then it's gonna like, ooh, that is cute. All geometric and square. I don't see square mascaras very often. I love that. Ooh, it's got one of those like hard bristle type of one. This is 2 coats of mascara. This is no mascara. I don't have a lot of eyelash hair in the first place, but it makes them look very natural. No clumping, and like doesn't really make them stick together and stuff. The wand also allows nice precision, you know. Let me do the other eye. Like, you can immediately see when I'm putting it on. Like, look how nice it is. One thing that I wear every day is mascara. Notice it gives you a little va-va-voom. Especially since we have the masks, you know. Mascara is the new lipstick. Since COVID, like, lipstick has become so useless. Which really sucks. My lipstick is just there collecting dust. And there we have it. This is the mascara. Well, and the eyeliner. Yeah, that was everything included in the giveaway box. Huge thank you to Zar Cosmetics for picking me as one of the winners for the box. Yeah, I'll definitely be using these products for more like makeup looks and stuff on my TikTok. That's where I do a lot of my makeup videos. Also post some of that to Instagram, my short form content. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.